Welcome to another lesson of Octaves Online Violin lessons. Now the fingering. You need to have a tuner with you. I seriously recommend those who are going for online lessons, you need to buy a tuner. Playing our Mayamala Gavla, your open sa will be D. When you are playing Re, at the very initial position, if you keep your index finger, when you play Re using your index finger, your tuner should show you, it should display D sharp, D sharp, and you are moving to the next third note, that is Ga. Using your middle finger, you are playing Ga. When you are playing Ga, your tuner should display F sharp, and now you are going to the fourth note, that is Ma. Sa re ga ma. When you are playing Ma, your tuner should display G. So let me explain again. So open string should be D, Re should be D sharp, Ga should be F sharp, Ma should be G. As if we already tuned our first string to A pitch, A4. So when you are playing on first string, it will show you A, that if it is analog meter, it will show you straight line. If it is wagging to the left side, you should think that you are playing little less Shruti. Then you have to adjust your finger, moving little up. If it is showing right side, if it's wagging to the right side, moving to the right side, you have to bring down the finger. So it should show you, analog meter should show the straight line. So Pa, open string Pa, A, when you are playing Da, A sharp. And when you go to the seventh note, Ni, that's C sharp. C sharp 5. And the last Sa should be D5. Yes. Now, Shadja and Panchama will be the open strings. You play reusing index finger. Just it's a starting point of the string, initial point of the string. That is a Re 1. So we are playing Ga 3 with a small gap. Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, Sa. These frets for the major tuning, you need to use the fret. For the fine tuning, you need to use the fine tuner. Only the semitone you can be tuned here using fine tuner, and the major tuning will be done using your main tuner frets. So now you got Sarikama Padanisa. Initially, you have to go only one string at a time. Avoid touching other strings. And initially, obviously, there will be scratchy sound. When you are repeatedly playing one note for a long time, you will get that smooth sound. Now, we reached Sarigam Padanisa, all the Saralabhasakal we learnt. Now, we are coming to the Tala part.
To watch and learn from more such videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.